Flag of Islam in Battle of Khaybar. Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that during the Battle of Khaybar, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam announced, "Tomorrow I shall give the flag to the person on whose hands Allah shall grant victory. He is a person who has love for Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and whom Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam also love." Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu ta'ala anhu mentioned that the entire night the Sahaba rizwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'in kept thinking which of them would receive the flag to lead the army into battle. The following morning, all the Sahaba rizwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'in came to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, each one hoping that he would be the one to receive the flag. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam announced, "Where is Ali bin Abi Talib?" The Sahaba replied, "O Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he is suffering from pain in his eyes." Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam sent someone to call him. When he arrived, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam applied some of his blessed saliva onto Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu's eyes and prayed for him. His eyes were immediately cured, and it appeared as if he had never suffered any pain at all. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam then handed the flag over to him. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked, "Should I fight them until they become like us?" Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam replied, "March at a moderate pace until you reach their field, then invite them to accept Islam, explaining to them the rights due to Allah that are compulsory for them to fulfill. By Allah, if Allah uses you to guide even a single person, it is better for you than red camels."